What's up guys, Dante here with Overland Rebel ATL, and today we are in Toccoa, Georgia at Currahee Overland. We are starting the overlanding build with a leveling kit, wheels, and tires along with the decked system. Let's go take a look at Currahee Overland showroom. What's up guys, Overland Rebel ATL. The other day when we finished up the leveling kit and the wheels and tires, it was too dark to get any good photos or a walk around, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Boom! There it is. She's dirty, but man, it looks good. So this was the Motofab 2.5 inch spacer in the front, 1.5 in the rear on a fuel Shok or Shok 18 by 9 minus 12 Nitto trail grappler 35 1250 18. Let me know what you guys think. It's pretty level. There's about a 1/2 inch of rake in the rear, but once I add my Overland rack and rooftop tent, it should be okay. I think it came out awesome. We also got the deck system. Super easy install here, and gonna be great for holding all of our camping gear. So let me know what y'all think. I really love the bronze and blue combo. Makes it look like an old school Subaru. There you have it. Thanks guys.